Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Next problem is summary ranges. You are given a sorted unique integer array nums. A range AB is the set of all integers from E to B inclusive. Return the smallest sorted list of ranges that cover all the numbers in the array exactly. That is, each element of nums is covered by exactly one of the ranges, and there is no integer x such that x is in one of the ranges but not in nums. Each range AB is the list each range A and B in the list should be output as A to B if A different B, A if A equals B. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 0 to 2, 4 to 5, and then 7. Ranges are 0 to 2, 4 to 5, 7. Oh, I think I get it. So I think we should go from 0 to 2 directly because it's 0, 1, 2, and this is sequential. Then 2 to 5, no, 0 to 2, okay. Then 4 to 5, 7 is alone. No, it's 6. 4 to 5 because they're sequential as well. So 0 alone, 2 to 4, 6 is alone, 8 and 9 together. Okay, got it. I'm going to create a directory. So these are all exercises that I did. 228 summary ranges. Code 228. Solution.py. And now solution of summary ranges, and this is the argument. So I guess that okay, how can we do this? Okay, so for num index and num in nums, so how can we do this? So ranges, this is return value is a list of string. This is what we want to return. It's a list of things such as two. Yeah, Windows decided to change my keyboard language again. And now everything is falling down. Thank you, Windows. You suck. 2, 2, 4, something like that. So, is aggregating. Is aggregating is going to be a Boolean flag. It's going to start with false. And aggregation starts. is either an integer or a none value. And it starts with none. If is aggregating is false, or if not is aggregating, then we switch it to true. True. And aggregation start is equal to none. Else, we check if the number okay, is equal to to aggregation start plus 1. No, I don't want aggregation start. I want this, but also want aggregation current. And I'm going to explain soon. Equals aggregation current plus 1. Then aggregation current plus equals 1. Else aggregation current, so else return value dot append. And now you're almost not able to see it. Append. Now I'm just formatting a string that's going to take two things. And the first one is aggregation starts, and this one is none. And then aggregation current, we reset them to none, and aggregation start becomes none again. Actually, I'm just going to explain everything that I did soon. Aggregation start. Not if aggregation current is none, just do this. Else, do that. We go all the way to the end. Let's see what we have. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm iterating on all the numbers here. So I saved this one on the first time. And then next time I reach this one, if this one is equal to the previous one plus 1, then I keep going. If not, then I just do this, either this or this. I think I need to go aggregation current equals num as well. So here, what did I do? And also, if aggregation current is equal to aggregation start. Okay, let's see if I'm lucky. Yeah, I was planning on doing the enumerate, but I guess I don't need it. Okay, so return value is 0 to 4, 4 to 7. Yeah, I don't want to go to 4 and 5. Okay, so I must have missed some things. So let's start. Num in nums. Okay, is aggregation start now 0, current is 0. Else, if num is equal to aggregation current plus 1, aggregation current plus equals 1. Now, num equals aggregation current plus 1. Is it true? And now the number is going to be 4. And it's not going to be equal, so we go here. Aggregation current, aggregation start. No, it's not the same. Aggregation start. And actually, we aggregation current. That's what we want to do. And then aggregation current. Is it none? Yeah, I don't need this. Yeah, let's go again. Just go all the way to the end and see what we have. 0 to 4, 4 to 5, and then we have 7 in the end. Why do we have 7 in the end? Because aggregation start is 7, aggregation current is 7. And we reach the end. So one thing that I'm going to do here is just to make it easier, because I'm leaving one out, is I am going to import from math, import infinite. And I'm just going to append to nums, I'm going to append infinite. So there's always like a new last number that's going to be bigger than everyone else. So return value, yeah, now it works 0 to 2, 4 to 5, 7. Honestly, I didn't need to use infinite, but I like using it. Let's see this one. What happens? Return value 0, 2 to 4, 6, 8 to 9. 0, 2 to 4, 6, 8 to 9. Okay, I am happy. Return value. I'm actually going to disregard this end. Just going to append 0. And I'm going to submit. Okay, edge case, I guess. If length of list of nums equals 1, then return nums, I guess. Yeah, it should be a string. Return array of nums of 0 and we convert it to a string. Submit. 2 minus 1. I don't know. This is weird. It fails on 2 minus 1. I thought the array was sorted. You're given a sorted unique integer array nums. I don't know what to do here. Nums is sorted in ascending order. And what the hell? Doesn't make sense. Okay, this is not good. The 2 expected 2 minus 1. Anyways, let's see what happens locally if I try to solve it. The return value nums is 2 minus 1 infinite. Okay. Okay, so return value is 2 now. Aggregation start, aggregation current is minus 1. Oh, that's because I added 0. So let's use the infinite. From math import infinite. Yeah, because it's 1 and 0 afterwards, I guess. Yeah, it worked. Maybe I can even remove this. I should have kept it infinite. Yeah, I should have kept it infinite. It was good the way it was. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.